It's Friday. Go shorty. No, it's not birthday.
No, they wait you because it's not just click.
Sing another Friday song for me now.
Thank God it's Friday. Woo!
Can't you dab to it, Maybe you taught me how to dab now.
I did not teach you.
Teach me.
I thought they show you say me, my dabbing done the.
She actually teach me. She said,
AJ.
Oh,
Swale. She taught me how to dab.
Oh yeah, dab for me now.
No, when they play song, I'll dab.
No, nah, just do it. She said not like this.
Na lie. Say lie.
All right, we're actually very excited today now Friday. As you know how they do on Friday now, time for us to talk about relationship. Yes. Let's talk it as a be. Now today we're going to yarn you 5 effects of social media on your relationship. You where they carry your partner picture put on top Instagram. You where they carry your picking picture put on top Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter. Well, we're going to yarn you 5 effects of social media on your relationship. And also, we get a trending video on Instagram today.
Yes, we do.
Who they trend today?
We go find out when we play them.
Very, very wonderful person where they actually trained, and you go surely find that. And Betiana Goyanos, who are celebrity Totori B for today. They need to understand the person going inside the studio. Betiana.
We get very amazing guests for inside the building. Person will be say most of us when we begin they grew up, they listen to in song and things. Our mama and papa them now in song, now they actually grew too. And this person a Fuji artist where we say is sabi work, and nowadays they had hip hop inside the whole mix of music and things. But I no go call him name because if I call him name, it's no go surprise you now when you enter inside the studio.
Well, you know this wonderful guest. They don't born you that time when song be the trend.
I didn't really know. I didn't really know but I know they never born me. Man, no lie. Because I'm still young. I'm still young. They never born me that time, but I'm a very important person. And you go like just as the tutorials for inside here when you enter inside the studio.
And another one way they tutorial me for today be say, I go dare Betiana. So last week they dare me and I convert my wig. No wahala.
Oh,
today
Lord.
I go dare Betiana.
And for I know they here to give me mental and physical support.
Whatever, you never experienced it. Because they kind
do unto others what you want others to do unto you.
I don't care. Now you're going to need to stay tuned for the guests who go join us inside the studio. Now don't forget, say we did on top Twitter at Wazobia. Follow us personally at Princess Ubi, at Betiana. And if you want to watch our past episodes, they're online, Talk Wazobia TV. Make a pass more break. When we come back after the break, 5 effects of social media on your relationship, and we go properly introduce our guests. All right, welcome back. Now, we don't get our casual guests. We don't join us inside the studio. Betiana go yarn us 1 or 2 things where you need to know about them, and we go play you the video. Not tell them the name yet, too.
I cannot tell them the name.
No, just give them some downloads of the important personality.
So that's make I not tell them the name. But this person where they for inside the big building, you know, say we they code them, we they gadge them like you go. They wonder say who be this person? This person they call him Mr. Johnson. Some people they call him King of Bonsue Fuji. Others they call him say that one I go leave on one side. If I call the name you go know him. But then born him for inside the 6th of May 1966, and he done the sing right from the age of 7 years old. Him na traditional style singer. He dey drum. He dey act, and him na artist. The correct one where we say once you call artist, you know if you call like 10 names where you name no day inside. And he found in love for music at the age of 7 years when he released his first album where they call Ibere. This one we go watch the video so that you go know the person where they talk about. Adewale Ayuba.
Wow. How are you people doing?
Beautiful.
They're so honored.
How you know they do?
Too honored. As in Ayuba there for inside our studio. We not pay money.
I am not paid.
We no collect form.
We not queue.
We not even look for visa. It just come.
Just like that.
Na God do.
Now God do one for us.
Baba, dab for you.
No,
dab for you.
Dab for you.
Now,
You're welcome,
even
sir.
watching this your new video, as in you just see how much Fuji music do actually evolve. Now I see the blend. How you take actually come up with this particular theme for this music?
You see, I've been trying to make sure that I promote Fuji music.
Yes.
And you know what is going on in the world now? So it's like digitalized music. So we need to bring Fuji to digitalize it to make it beautiful at the ear, at listening here. At the same time, come to the tracking level. You know, Fuji music, you can go 17 minutes non-stop before. Now it's this a track.
Yeah.
So it comes in tracks. So I just want to change the face of Fuji music.
And I see the dance step too. As in, like...
That is not it's part of Bonsui. Bonsui itself is dance.
Yes.
Oh.
Bonsui now. Bonsui should mean dance.
Oh yeah, Bonsui, Betiana.
So, sir, a lot of people now, because this morning they discuss personally, they tell me, say, I want to start, they come my show. They can't say who, I say, Anna, you, but they can't say, but all those music, say, Raz music now. And when I look the guy, I can't say, really, Raz music, it means say you don't really appreciate your culture. But now, what thing I want to ask you is, say, how you come to this, arrive at this stage where you decide, say, okay, you know what, I want to actually move Fuji music up to this place. Now, what thing inspire you?
You see, there's nothing like Raz music. When anything you get for your nation, you call it Raz, and you are promoting another nation's thing. That means you be real Raz.
Because you don't know your own,
of course,
your own culture.
So the important thing is like, is our own thing. When you talk about Jamaica now, the only music that comes to your mouth is reggae.
Reggae, yeah.
When we are talking about America, jazz music and hip hop and R&B. If they are playing Indian music now, you will know. So let's have this mind too that when we get to that foreign Obodo Igbo place, once they put their own music, they should know that that is Nigeria music called Fuji. Let's give kudos to Fela Anikulapo Kuti.
Yes.
Afro all over the world, they know that Nababa Fela. So that's all we need. So, and it's not really easy because for me to achieve this kind of thing, I built a studio, a digital studio, and another analog studio so that I can marry them together to get this sound. You know, Fuji music, they use normal talking drum, normal things. So for you to digitalize the voice, you have to go through a lot of machine.
Wow.
So,
now, looking at let me just have that. Looking at your profile, they say you start music at the age of 7.
yes, so.
When people suppose they school, like let's say primary 1 or 2, but you start music, how you take actually start them then?
Yeah, I can, now my calling anyway. Because not that I learn them for any other musician. But I think what happened is like, even the Bonsui way are they,
Promote now.
is my mother use Bonsui to abuse me. If they send me in any job, any errands like that, so they will be telling me, don't be Bonsui and forget what we asked you to do. You know, things like that.
Yeah.
So I started early because every social media, so any social gathering I made, party, I go there, I sing.
At 7?
I don't even care about money. I'll just be singing.
Wow.
So now the love of the
Me
job.
too, I don't know.
So when you actually take them professionally, what age?
That is like 13.
Wow.
That was
early.
was first time I have band boys at my back.
So when be the first time where you actually receive pay for singing?
After having band. So people now say, you want to at our party. Collect this one, collect care. Meanwhile, I was the smallest at that band. So they give money to the elderly, but I don't even care. I just want to go and sing. At times they will not give me anything. They just go.
They were scamming you.
Don't care. So
I know one of your songs where actually, even till now, they actually treat me now happy people. You know, say before I actually take my time to listen to happy people, I don't know say na HAPPYPEOL. I could just say, we are happy people, we are happy. We are AAEE.
Are you serious?
No, a lot of people know that. Not true. People don't listen to lyrics. They just believe.
I know. I want to know why you actually come up with the song Happy People.
Because Bonsui is for you to dance.
Yes.
Bonsui, dance.
Yeah.
So happy people, you have to be in a happy mood.
For you
need to be happy before you can dance.
Talking about lyrics, maybe talk about the music industry in general. What do you feel about the upcoming generation of musicians that they breed these days?
You see, I can't lie, they are trying. But the important thing is for them to believe in their own reading, African reading. It's not the language that makes the music, it's the beat behind it. If they are playing reggae music for you now, without them singing it, you know that is reggae sound. But what they are doing in Nigeria, they put hip-hop sound and they put Yoruba on top of it. That's why you can see them, they are not getting nomination from Grammy. Because they don't judge any music from language. It's from the beat. If they are playing Indian music, now you go no say, that's not Indian now. You'll be hearing things like that. So what we need to do more is to use our own beat. That's Niger for you. Oyibo cannot do that. Because they cannot play talking drum. Put talking drum, put sakara. We have a lot of beautiful drums in Nigeria. Fela puts, things like that. So they will know that is Niger. Yeah. That's all we need. They are doing well. They are really promoting their
I actually go with you. But what do you think about people's outside world reception of Fuji music? You feel say actually they're very strong, so they love Fuji music for Obodo Yibo?
Because anything you cannot do, you will love it. When you now see people doing it, you people fell in love with hip-hop and R&B because you cannot do it.
True. Yes. Very true.
Anything that you cannot do, you will love it. Remember, say like 10, 20 years ago when they brought Makosa to Lepagawu. Every churches, we don't even know where they say. We say Lepagawu. Because the rhythm is there. That's all. Nobody cares about your language. But it's the beat that makes music.
Very true. Now, if you look at the music industry now, we have just few people doing Fuji.
Very few.
Just very few. Not to say time don't reach where
a lot of
legends in the Fuji business go actually bring in a lot of artists who get talent. I think grew up a lot of artists.
No, I will say this. I will tell you like 65% of all these hip hop and R&B artists, they sing Fuji too. To that background beat. Olamide is singing Fuji. I'll repeat it.
Fuji?
His voice is Fuji. I'm telling you.
Olamide has Fuji.
It's Fuji. Because it comes with your culture, with the language you speak.
Even Leo Cash.
The language you speak determines your rhythm. No matter how you call Indian to speak English, you know that is Indian. That's what I mean. It's about your accent. It's the accent that gives you Apala, Juju, Fuji. So for you to really sing hip-hop, you have to be American. You must have that American accent.
Wow.
It's true now. It's like saying you are a rapper. It's 100% American thing. So if you now say you are rapping in Nigeria, definitely your accent will come in. So that means no more American rap. It's Nigeria. That's why all of them call it Afro now. Because if you see the music they are doing, it's sweeter than hip-hop of America. Danceable. Beautiful. Go to London, America now, you see all Nigerian music playing. But the problem is that they still calling it hip-hop, African hip or African pop. Call it Fuji, call it Bedu, call it Apala. No, that is it, because they are doing very, very well. Very, very well.
In our music industry here.
They are doing very well.
Okay, so maybe we just digress a little bit. Now, we get plenty of people where they go into music every day. But what do you feel about people sidelining education because they feel, okay, this one are my calling, or my gift, or my talent, and I feel they just feel say, okay, I don't need education, make I just jump inside the music thing.
Because people need to know, say, you actually study for finance for inside Queensborough Community College. So you actually go school.
You see, I will just thank God for that, the grace of God. Some people won't go to school. Their parents cannot afford it. You can't blame them. And you realize that the talent you have, you can sing. The important thing is, like, if you go to school, it will assist you promoting you. Particularly this Nigeria that we don't have a management that can say, okay, yes, they are behind you. They can push your career to where you want it to be. They will tell you don'ts and don'ts. But at the end of the day, if you don't go to school, you won't be able to do it. Because in my own band now, I manage a lot of things by myself because of the education where I get. You know, it's like light now. If you don't go to school, you don't see anything. So, see America now, a lot of American singers, they are, I'm sorry to say this, ex-convict. maybe they've been to jail. Some don't even go to school, but they have a management behind them that will guide them, tell them what to do, this is how to dress. They will okay, we are introducing you to record label, and things are going on. You can't do such a thing in Nigeria.
Because why? Why?
Because the management there, are they making money? Before they can put themselves together, say they want to support Ayuba, there must be something generating income for them so that you can pay them. The only way you can pay your management is to selling your album. And when the piracy will not let you sell it,
especially in Nigeria.
So how do you pay them?
But what do you think about piracy? You feel so the government in general, they actually do well enough
they are not doing
to stop
they
piracy?
Are not doing at all.
So what do they fit do?
They just need to put people in the prison. That's it. Of course,
that is not now.
I know. There's other people to learn from. No, but the way you talk, I'm saying they just need to put people in the prison.
Because how do they do that one? Just enact a law now. No. That if they catch you with somebody's work, no bail. Say you understand? You are going for 10 years imprisonment. Everybody will run away. That's it.
Wow. It's been a wonderful time where we don't get with the chief himself, Ayuba. But before you need to at least help us, serenade us with your voice.
So.
Happy people now I want. Happy people, yes.
Because we are happy people.
Because we are happy people. Yes, before we play the video, but you need to actually...
We are happy people. We make you happy.
Gang.
We are H-A-P-P-Y.
Okay.
P-O-P-L-E.
We are happy people. We make you happy.
Domode olo.
Hey.
Adewale Ayuba.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.